So basically, if you look here in resource resolution, you see here input template prefix is the definition. What the template prefix we're gonna define for this specific workflow, I'll show you now. So in here, you see get input, template prefix, and then you display which of the prefix names we have. And that's based on the user selection. So this is based on input driven. If it's not input driven, and if it's like predefined, then the predefined will be within the specific component. You will select which predefined artifact you have, and the artifact in this case is base config. And the artifact definition is still the same. It's based on what the user selected as base config, but you can see the difference between the artifact prefix name. It's not based on input. It's actually based on whatever the user selects as the template name. Shaban, is this clear?
So it seems like that two types. The first type is the. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
The first type of this input is just some artifact. So it seems like we have a lot of the mapping files. The second type, I'm specifying what I want to have is something
in both of them, you specify which templates and mappings you need. Okay, both of them. But if the user selects get input, then the artifact prefix name is going to be get input template prefix. If the user selects a specific mapping, then you define the mapping inside the artifact prefix name itself. That's it. In both cases, they will select what artifact and mapping they're working on. In both cases, it's just input is saying that the external system is going to pass the input name.
Okay, I need to study this file very good to understand the scenario again, and if I have some questions, maybe I can come back to you.
Yes, no problem.
Okay.
Any other questions, Ahmed, you have, maybe? Is this clear, Farah?
Yeah, this part is clear for now.
Okay, all right. All right, I'll send the recording out then. So as we discussed, let's focus on just resource resolution, and we will do the work creation, component creation, and then for component resource resolution, we have something called artifact prefix name. It has predefined and input driven, and the user clicks select template. You'll give them this menu. They'll select what are the templates and mappings they want to use. Once they do add template, we will go ahead based on their selection. If it's get input, we'll say template prefix and then find the artifacts they selected. If they select predefined, then we will, in the list, add the predefined templates here, and then also add them in the artifact section. That's the behavior we need.
Yuri, can you send us this file, this enhanced maybe the file?
Sure. No problem. I can send it out. I'll send you the entire definition, okay? Or let me just send you the CBA itself. All right, let me stop sharing, and I will stop recording as well.